Guys, this is the part 2 of the other one. So my throat hurts and my mom is getting ready my ramen. So bro, stop going to my video. So my little brother is always going into my videos. He's a baby, so I can't. So I'm so scared, so tired. You wanna see my bag is a mess. I'm going to okay. Okay, you guys are gonna see my bag.
Gatas mo kanina pa
Okay. This is my bag, guys. I gotta drink my milk. Done. So I fixed that school. I fixed my bag at school, but I didn't fix it up. So if you want to see my fridge, it's my latest kind of friends. This video is getting too long.
Balik mo na to dun sa ref. Ito sa freezer.
Guys, I smell it. It smells so good. So this video is getting too long.
Videohan. Namaya na.
Wait guys, I think I don't have power for mukbang now. So you wanna see the ramen? Okay guys, we're readying up my table, but first we need to off this fire. Uy. Okay. Open the door. I don't know. We're gonna ready my table. We're gonna put my feet. I'm gonna put my fan. I'm gonna get my rice. Wow, castle of rice. It's so bright. Food is here, but I don't think I can do a mukbang this time. Let's eat. Oh. Bye guys.